Okay, everyone. Today we will learn the sounds t and d. T, d. Okay, let's go. To, do, to, do. At, add, add. Town, ta, u, n. Town. Down, d, d, down. Heart, t, heart. Hard, d, hard. Bat, bat. Bad, bad. Okay, one more time. To, do, at, add. Town, down. Heart, hard. Bat, bad. Team, team. Deem, deem. But, bud, bud. Cut, cut. Cud, cud. Got, got. God, God. Right, right. Ride, ride. Okay, one more time. Team, deem. But, bud. Cut, cud. Got, God. Right, ride. And, and. Cart, cart. Card, card. Eight, aid, aid. Sent, send, send. Cat, cad. One more time. Ant, and. Card, eight, aid. Sent, send. Cat, cad. Okay, now let us do some exercises together. Read and then match words to pictures. Write, ride. Write is N. Ride is O. Okay, next one. Cart, card. Cart is N. Card is O. We say birthday card. Birthday card. Okay, so cart, card. Here is one more for you guys. Down and town. Down is N. Go up, go down, up, down. And this is town, small city. A town, small city. Town is smaller than city, but bigger than village. Okay. The last one, heart and hard. So heart is N, hard is O. Hard, soft. Pillow is soft. Wall, the wall is hard. So hard is the opposite of soft. Heart, hard. Alright, thank you everyone. Try to make a video reading the examples I have given you and send it to me for some feedback. Thank you guys and see you next time. Bye bye.